radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet